In this tutorial, I will be demonstrating a version of the chromatic scale that articulates Chris Donnelly's Economy of Motion article, which can be found in the description box below. Many of you are probably familiar with the fingering previously shown. However, today we will be developing a fingering technique that will allow you to play scales faster and with increased ease. As you can see, with the regular chromatic scale, the fingering is broken up into thumb middle and thumb index. In the new fingering, the hand forms groups of 3 and 4 in the pattern that fits the particular starting point. In this case, the order is 4, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. I'll put that in the description box. In this case, it's starting on C. It can be seen that these groups are similar to the grouping you will see in major and minor scales. Incorporate this into your playing further by feeling out fingerings and challenging current methods of playing. Cheers!